Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel where science meets wonder. This is my first video, a first step, so we'll surely need your support. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating comparison. What does ancient Hindu cosmology say about the origin of the universe? And how does it align, or even anticipate, what modern science calls the Big Bang? Surprisingly, they may have more in common than you think. Let's explore. The Big Bang theory suggests that about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began from a singularity, a point of infinite density, heat, and no volume. In less than a second, this singularity expanded faster than the speed of light, giving rise to space, time, matter, and everything we know today. It wasn't an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space itself. But here's the kicker. Even time itself began at that moment. So what existed before the Big Bang? Science doesn't have a clear answer yet, but the ancient Vedas offer a poetic perspective. One of the most profound and mysterious hymns of the Rig Veda is the Nasadiya Sukta 10.129, a meditation on creation. Thousands of years ago, the Rig Veda asked, who really knows? Who will here proclaim it? Whence was it produced? Whence is this creation? Incredibly, Hindu cosmology also speaks of a time before creation, when there was neither existence nor non-existence, no space, no time, no light, no darkness. In the Vishnu Purana, there's a concept called the Brahmanda, the cosmic egg. Before creation, the universe existed in a seed form, floating in a dark, endless void. From it, creation burst forth. Do it sound familiar? From Rig Veda, the idea in the shloka parallels the singularity, the state before the Big Bang where there was no time or space. Now also compare the Vishnu Purana shlok that to the scientific singularity that suddenly expands and creates space-time. Hindu cosmology describes it, metaphorically, thousands of years ago. Two vastly different lenses, yet such a similar origin story. Now let's dive into another point of view. While science traditionally sees time as linear, Hindu cosmology teaches that the universe is cyclical, created and destroyed in infinite cycles. Each cycle is called a kalpa, lasting about 4.32 billion years. At the end of a cycle, everything returns to cosmic dissolution, pralaya, only to be reborn again. Sounds a lot like modern theories of a cyclic universe, where after expanding, the universe might contract into a big crunch, followed by another Big Bang. Even more intriguing, 4.32 billion years is close to science's estimated age of the Earth. Coincidence or ancient insight? If you are finding this video interesting even a little, give it a like, share it with a curious friend after the video, and hit that subscribe button. Moving on. According to Hinduism, the universe began with sound, the primal vibration known as Om. This sound is not just a chant, it's the frequency of creation. Om is the eternal sound, the essence of all that was, is, and will be. Modern science tells us the early universe was filled with acoustic waves, pressure ripples in the plasma that later shaped galaxies. Just like the Big Bang had sound waves, Hindu texts say sound came before form. Om isn't just a chant. It's the vibrational seed of existence. So in a way, science also agrees. Vibration shaped creation. Science sees the universe as matter and energy. Hindu philosophy posits that behind everything, beyond matter and time, lies Brahman, pure, infinite consciousness. Some modern physicists and philosophers now ask, is consciousness emerging from the universe? Or is the universe itself conscious? Both science and spirituality are asking the same question. Where did we come from? What is the origin of everything? Science says, a singularity, then a bang. Hinduism says, a void, then a cosmic egg. Both agree. Before creation, there was no space, time, or form. Both agree. The importance of vibration, the cycle of creation and destruction, and both hint at something more. So, was the Big Bang already described in Hindu cosmology thousands of years ago? Or are we seeing patterns because both science and spirituality are seeking the same truth in different languages? We may never know for sure. But one thing's clear. Our universe is far more mysterious, beautiful, and connected than we ever imagined. Comment down your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay cosmic.